every being needs to be acknowledged and to be recognized for their unique characteristics, their unique strengths, their unique powers, feeling that they are strong and capable and powerful enough to be independent and do things on their own. So encourage their creativity and their unique strengths and talents. Let them express them and let them be themselves freely, also while respecting others. The only boundaries are in respect. Respect of my body, teach them to respect the boundaries of their body. That the hands, the use of how we're using our beautiful hands to be kind, to be creative, to be building, to be constructing, okay? To be expressing love, to be expressing also emotions, to dance, to make shapes, to create art. Make them explore each and every part of their being, and not hitting, not aggression, put that boundary, okay, so that they are having this great skill and value of universal global peace, and they are representing it throughout their life, throughout their being, okay? Let them express and actually explore their body, their being, and create great things for themselves and others, and cooperate in a peaceful, healthy and joyful way and safe way for themselves and for others too. How? As we said, this creativity, I've given you many creative ideas. Dancing, musical expression, creating musical instruments through using hands, through using different elements. And you know what? You might not have the ideas, they will find the ideas. Really, just explore with them great ideas and infinite abundance of imagination. You will see amazing, great imagination coming from them, because they are great creators. So just give them the freedom and the space and see them grow and glow, see them glowing, and they will create amazing, glorious things that you could even not imagine possible. And just express this graceful, peaceful, healthy, joyful, universal, global appreciation. Because when you are seeing the beauty of diversity in every element around you, they will see it too, because you are helping them see it. You are the guide, you are leading them. So as I said, you are showing them, oh wow, look at this. Wow, you see, different colors. Let's create something out of this. And they will do it. They will be joyful. You're transmitting joy by being that infinite abundance of joy yourself, increasing your energy, and they will be creating magic for each other, because internally they are having it. Observe kids, they are having internally this great, joyful, amazing, creative, powerful energy. They are the greatest creators. We're just putting, adults are putting the barriers, you know. Adults are creating, limiting them. They are infinite abundance. The only limits you should put is through interacting peacefully, highly appreciating the diversity in themselves and others, using their hands, their language, their mouth, their ears, their nose, their eyes, their hands, their shoulders, their legs, to be great for themselves and others, to create art, to create musical instruments, to create a theatrical play, to create a beautiful mosaic, to create a game. And for example, you can introduce different instructions outdoors and just put different elements and let them play and see what they are creating, and just be guiding them to be loving and kind with each other and respecting each other. And that's it.